Okay, so as promised, I am cutting this tree down today. So I've been a bit delayed this morning for various reasons. Worst of one was the mower ignition decided to play up with me today, so I couldn't actually start the mower. Got that sorted now. So I'm going to use the pole saw to cut these branches off into small pieces, take them down there where I got the mower parked, and I can use the mower to tow it up to where we have the bonfire pile. I could just cut this back at the main trunk and do it all in one go, but then there's a risk it damage the fence, and I've then got to deal with all of it in one go, whereas today I can do it a little bit at a time. And yeah, if I feel that I'm not going to get it finished, then I'm not going to get it finished. It's not a problem, just leave it as is. So yeah, right, let's get on. So the plan was to cut this up and put it straight on the bonfire pile here. With this all being willow, it's so springy it keeps bouncing back off, and the pile's going to end up dangerous. So I'm going to stack it all over here for now, and then when I get around to having the fire, I can take it from here and put it on, which is the better way to do it anyway, because it's a more controlled method. Right, I'm going to cut these up instead. Okay, so I'm probably going to regret this, but the closer you get to that tree, the further down the bank you go. So if I use a chainsaw on it, I'm going to be cutting above my head. So I'm going to attempt to cut it with the handsaw. So yeah, I might regret this afterwards, but we'll see. I've done it before, so right. Almost there. supposed to happen. So I was worried that might happen. I did try cutting up from underneath to stop it from splitting down like that. But unfortunately I obviously didn't cut quite far enough. But that's not too bad. I mean, I did cut it higher than I needed to. I wanted to try and save this small branch here. I thought if I could save that little one as well, that would be good. But that'll do. It wasn't too bad, about 10 minutes to cut that. I'll just finish this little bit off here and tidy it up. Okay, so I've dragged that to the side there. I don't know if it will just live there or if I will deal with it at a later date, but it's not something I'm too worried about today. The bits that are sticking out aren't in the way of the path, so you can get around it no problem. After having the battle with that piece, I'm thinking that piece up there isn't as bad as I think, so I might get the path back open anyway, even though it has got a few cracks in it. But yeah, so I think that'll do for today. I still haven't had any lunch and it's gone 2 o'clock, so I'll have my lunch, see how I feel after that, but that might be it for today. So if that is, I'll see you later. Okay, so it's the next day, so that's where I cut the tree down yesterday. So I'm going to open the path back up, but just have to double check this fence beforehand. And there's a few things that need repairing. So this post is right through to the point that it's not actually connected to the ground anymore. And again, this post here has gone as well. So I'm going to take this apart and get this fixed. Right. Okay, so there we go. A little bit of battery left on the camera. All finished, handrail is back in place. Reasonably solid. I mean, it's on a post, so these are never that solid, but that'll take your weight now. Path is back open, which is all good. So yeah, like I say, as the year goes on, I will try and continue, because there is a lot of rubbish in here that needs taking out. But none of it's actually a danger anymore, so yeah, I shall leave it there for today and I'll see you later.